If no one is going to talk about this, then I have to. Signal groups have killed many accounts and destroyed many traders more than they have made them. Everything I'm going to tell you in this particular video is based on personal experience and what happened to me. By the end of this video, I promise you are going to understand the reasons why you must not join any signal groups, or what you must do if you must join anyone. Now, I want you to think about this. Why is it that we have a lot of signal groups, Telegram channels, but still we have high rates of unprofitable Forex traders? This has to tell you that these people are just using you to finance their lifestyles. More especially young traders who are very inquisitive to make a lot of money, to become very rich very fast through Forex trading. They jump into these signal groups and they make mistakes. So I want you to stick to the end of this video. Definitely you are going to learn something new. If this is your first time of seeing my channel, please like and subscribe so that you'll be seeing more of these kind of videos. Without wasting much time, let's get into it and I will explain everything. So before we start, I want to tell you a very short story about my experience from signal groups. Okay, it's going to be a bit funny, but it wasn't funny when it happened to me because it happened to my real account. So I joined this group and this guy was just dropping a lot of screenshots of profitable trades. So he said if you want to get this kind of thing from your account, you need to register and join his VIP. So as a young guy, I was so inquisitive. I want to make a lot of money. So I quickly paid money and joined the VIP. So the first signal that this guy dropped, what happened? There was an impulsive movement of a bullish candle that happened. And all of a sudden, the candle was doing as if it wants to retrace back. Okay. And the guy said we should enter short. Okay. As someone who wants to make money and based on what the guy has been dropping, the screenshots, I quickly joined short with a lot of positions, trying to hit it long. Within few minutes, it happened within seconds. The next thing I saw, it was like my account turned red. And after like 15 minutes, the guy said, guys, I'm so sorry. Today, it was a kind of mistake. We'll go again tomorrow. There are losses in Forex trading. Man, I just end everything. I closed everything and forget about it. So this is by the way, but let's continue and I will tell you the reasons why you shouldn't join these signal groups. Now, this is the first thing that signal group does to you. First, signal groups will take away your control over your trades. You will no longer have control over the trades that you take. You will only take trades based on what someone told you. If you look back on my story that I just told you right now, you will understand that I had no control over the trade that I just took. The guy said, enter this, and I did that. I didn't check anything about trading because I have a lot of confidence in someone else's trade, not in myself. I don't even understand the kind of analysis that the guy did. How did he come up with that particular signal that he dropped? I have no control over my account. So this is one reason you must leave or not join anything signal groups, because you will never have control of your trading and what you are doing in the market. The second thing that this will do to you is that you will never have confidence in yourself. You know, for you to develop a working strategy and have confidence in yourself as a trader, you must trade on your own, have experience, and learn from the mistakes that you make. But when you join a signal group, you are always focused on what the big boss will drop for you to make money. You will never build a long-term confidence in yourself and a long-term strategy that will help you as a trader to become whom you're supposed to be and learn the skill. So that is why a lot of traders continue to blow accounts and lose money without making anything out of it. Next one is that joining signal groups always trigger a lot of traders to become gamblers and not skilled traders. Because when these guys drop all these screenshots of profitable trades, you are no longer thinking as a trader, someone that is doing business. You are only thinking as a gambler. You want to make such amount of money. You want to live a kind of lifestyle that your account can't even afford. Sometimes these traders, these signal group owners, they don't ask you how much you have in your account. Someone that is trading with, let's say, $10,000 may just drop a signal for $10,000 and you enter it with something like $100 that you have in your account with big lot size, and then boom, you lose your whole account. So I want you to understand that forex trading is not gambling, it is a business, and Signal Group always make you to think like a gambler. And then this is what you must do if you must join a Signal Group. When the influencer or the signal master drops signal on this group, this is what you need to do. Go back to your own chart, study that signal the person dropped, know if it aligns with your own trading strategy. Do you have an alignment with it? If you don't see any alignment, or if you check your fundamental analysis and there is news and you can't take the risk for that news, stay out of the market. You must not do what the person said, because anytime you continue to enter trades blindly based on what the person dropped, you are not in charge of your trade. You are not in charge of what is happening. And for you to be in charge, you must study what the person is dropping and comparing it with your own trading strategy and know if it aligns. If it aligns, take the trade. If it doesn't, don't take it. Sometimes these signal groups may motivate you, but in most cases it can turn you into a gambler. Best is to avoid it and trade on your own and try to develop yourself. And lastly, if you find this video helpful, please make sure you like and subscribe to this channel, because we continue to drop this kind of videos that will help you and educate you and make you become that trader that you want to be. See you in the next one, and remain profitable.